it's Michelle, and today is the day for the drawing to find out who is the winners on our giveaway from the European Papercrafts Christmas in July YouTube hop. And I just want to say that it was a great hop and I had a lot of fun, and I appreciate you guys participating, and we're going to choose our winners using the YouTube random comment picker. And again, remember that this is for US only. We have our packets here and prepaid postage that covers US delivery only. So I apologize for that, but for those of you who aren't able to get in on that, don't forget to use that Christmas in July discount code. And you will get 20% off of all Christmas related items, and I think that is great. That is a prize in itself. And we're going to go ahead and choose our winners, and if I happen to choose one that is not US, I won't be able to tell unless they have noted that in their comment, but the winners should contact me at contactcraftie@gmail.com with your address if you're one of the winners, and I will get those sent right out to you. If the random comment picker happens to choose one that is not US, and I can't tell that from the comment, then I will choose another one after that and notify that person. And I have already entered in here the URL for the video that you all were to comment on to enter in that giveaway, and it has found 67 unique commenters, and we'll just go ahead and click start to choose our winners. I hope you guys can see the screen on my phone in this. And the first winner is Vintology by Lola. She commented, "Very talented ladies in this hop. Generous hop. Thanks so much for sharing." So Lola, you are the first winner in our giveaway. So if you'll email me your address to contactcraftie@gmail.com, I will get one of these packets right out to you, and we'll pick another winner. Click start. And the second winner is Vicki Johnson, who commented, "Love the card tag." So Vicki, go ahead and send me your address as well at contactcraftie@gmail.com, and I'll get your packet out as well. I thank you guys for participating in this hop with us. I had a lot of fun, and I can't wait for even more Christmas in July. And these are some great packets. I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with these. And don't forget also that discount code to save 20% on Christmas products. So thanks again, guys, and congratulations to Lola and Vicki. I had a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.